Ahead of the final day of the Belagavi winter session, the Karnataka cabinet on Thursday cleared two major decisions: a rupees 3,500 crore development package for North Karnataka and a district judiciary reforms bill 2025. Amid speeding up justice delivery using modern technology, including artificial intelligence, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is expected to formally announce the North Karnataka package on Friday. While replying to the debate in the Assembly, the debate, which dominated most of the session, witnessed poor attendance with several legislators skipping proceedings on multiple days. Rupees 3,500 crore package for North Karnataka. Out of the total 3,500 crore package, 1,500 crore has been earmarked for irrigation projects, giving a major boost to water security and agricultural development in the region. The remaining funds will be used for overall infrastructure and regional development across North Karnataka districts. The announcement comes at a political significant time, as North Karnataka has been a key focus area during the winter session held in Belagavi. Judicial Reforms Bill 2025, AI to fast-track justice. A key highlight of cabinet meeting was the approval of the Karnataka District Judiciary Reforms Bill 2025. The bill aims to reduce case pendency and improve court administration at the district level. One of the most significant proposals is the use of artificial intelligence tools for faster case management, monitoring and tracking of judicial processes. The bill also proposes the establishment of fast-track courts to deal with long pending cases. To ensure sustained reforms, the bill suggests creating a permanent Bureau of District Judicial Reforms, which will oversee court infrastructure, development, recruitment and administrative improvements. Additionally, the bill introduced defined timelines for case disposal, a move expected to bring more accountability and efficiency into the justice delivery system. Amendments to civil courts and land administration along with the Judiciary Reforms Bill. The Cabinet also cleared amendments to the Civil Courts Act and land revenue rules. These changes aim to modernize court procedures and improve land administration across Karnataka, reducing delays and procedural complexities. Bangalore PPP project approved. The cabinet also gave administrative approval for three major projects under the public-private partnership, that is PPP model, with the Greater Bangalore jurisdiction. These projects involve the transportation and proceedings of construction material with a combined handling capacity of 2,250 metric tons per day, that is 750 tons per project. The total project cost is rupees 1,715 crore spread over a 15-year period. In another key discussion, the cabinet approved proposals from the Bangalore Water Supply and Sewage Board (BWSSB) for the operation and maintenance of the TK Halli Reservoir under Phase 2 of the Kaveri Water Supply Project. The approved cost for this is rupees 38 crore. However, the cabinet deferred the decision on internal reservation in promotions, indicating that further discussions and consultations are required on the matter. Overall, the cabinet decisions reflect the government's focus on regional development, judicial efficiency and infrastructure modernization, with technology playing a central role in governance reforms.